driving just got smarter. Whether it's 4K clarity, AI-powered alerts, or full 360-degree coverage, dashcams offer the ultimate road protection. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 dashcams of 2025, so you can drive with confidence and capture every moment. The first dashcam on our list is the G900 from Wolfbox. The device features a 12-inch touch-sensitive IPS display, providing an intuitive interface that allows users to easily navigate settings, review recorded footage, and access real-time video playback. The G900 dashcam offers dual-channel recording with a front camera capturing 4K video and a rear camera recording at 2.5K. Both cameras operate at 25 frames per second, delivering sharp and detailed footage for enhanced driving security. The front camera boasts a 170-degree wide-angle lens, while the rear camera offers a 150-degree field of view, ensuring comprehensive coverage of your surroundings with minimal blind spots. Equipped with a large f1.5 aperture and a high-quality 6-glass lens, the G900 enhances night vision capabilities, delivering clear and high-contrast footage even in low-light conditions or challenging weather. Additional functionalities include a G sensor for automatic collision detection and emergency video locking, ensuring crucial footage is preserved in case of an accident. The loop recording feature helps manage storage efficiently by overriding the oldest footage when the memory card is full. For added security, the dashcam supports 24-hour parking monitoring when connected to a hardwire kit, providing continuous surveillance even when the vehicle is turned off. The Wolfbox G900 is available starting at $259.99, making it a feature-rich and cost-effective solution for comprehensive vehicle monitoring. Next item on our list is the Rover R3. The Rover R3 3-channel touchscreen dashcam is designed for effortless installation, making setup quick and easy. At its core, the R3 features a Sony IMX307 StarVis sensor and a high-quality OmniVision OS05A10 5-megapixel CMOS sensor, delivering exceptional clarity with super night vision for detailed low-light recording. It records in 1440p resolution on the front camera, while the inside and rear cameras capture in 1080p, ensuring full vehicle coverage. The responsive 3-inch touchscreen display provides intuitive controls for seamless operation. For fast and stable connectivity, the R3 supports dual-band 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. The built-in GPS enables precise geotagging, adding location data to your recordings. A supercapacitor enhances reliability, offering better durability than traditional batteries. With custom-designed software and the Rover app for iOS and Android, managing footage is simple and convenient. Plus, over-the-air firmware updates keep your device up to date. Priced at $289.98, the Rover R3 is a feature-packed choice for reliable vehicle monitoring. Next item on our list is Cobra SC 400D. The Cobra SC 400D dashcam takes smart driving to the next level with Alexa integration for voice control. Record every detail in Ultra HD 4K, ensuring the clearest footage possible. With 3 cameras, you can capture every single angle, including a dedicated rear-view camera for full coverage. Stay alert with live police notifications, keeping you informed of speed traps and road incidents. In emergencies, the Mayday alert system can automatically call for help. When parked, parking mode detects and records any movement, while incident reports provide quick access to crucial footage. With advanced features and hands-free control, the Cobra SC 400D is a complete safety solution for $399.95. Next item on our list is DR970X 2-channel Plus from BlackVue. This dual-channel dashcam features a front camera equipped with an 8.4-megapixel Sony StarVis 2 CMOS sensor, capturing 4K ultra-high-definition video at 30 frames per second. The lens comprises 7 elements with an f1.7 aperture, offering a 146-degree diagonal field of view for wide coverage. The rear camera utilizes a 2.1-megapixel Sony StarVis CMOS sensor, recording in full HD at 30 frames per second, with a 5-element lens, f2 aperture, and a 131-degree diagonal view. The system supports high-efficiency video coding at a maximum bitrate of 60 megabits per second, ensuring high-quality video compression with reduced file size. Additional features include built-in GPS for accurate location tracking, dual-band Wi-Fi 2.4 to 5 GHz for fast connectivity, and optional LTE support for seamless cloud integration. With BlackVue Cloud, users can enjoy real-time remote viewing and smart alerts. The built-in impact and motion detection helps protect your vehicle while parked. The DR970X 2-channel Plus is priced starting at $425. The last item on our list is Vanture Nexus 5. The Vanture Nexus 5 dashcam is an advanced 5-camera system designed to offer complete 360-degree protection on the road. Powered by the latest Sony Starvis 2 sensor, it delivers exceptional clarity, capturing every detail, even in challenging lighting conditions. What sets the Nexus 5 apart is its 4x protection system, covering every angle of the vehicle for total security. The front camera features Starvis 2 WDR, providing superior wide dynamic range for crisp, high-contrast footage. Inside the car, both the front cabin and rear cabin cameras come equipped with WDR technology and 4 IR LEDs, ensuring clear recording even in complete darkness. The rear camera uses HDR technology, enhancing visibility in both bright and low light conditions. With 5 camera combinations, the Nexus 5 creates a full guard system, ensuring no blind spots while driving or parked. Plus, with 5 GHz Wi-Fi and OTA firmware updating, users can wirelessly transfer footage and keep the system up to date effortlessly. The dashcam also includes mileage statistics, providing insights into driving habits. 24-hour parking monitoring with buffered motion detection and collision detection ensures that any impact or movement is recorded, even when the car is off. And thanks to low-light night vision, every frame remains sharp, no matter the time of day. With all these high-end features, the Vanture Nexus 5 dashcam is priced at $399.99, making it the ultimate investment for security, safety, and peace of mind. That's all for the smart dashcam. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. See you in the next one.